So here we are in the garage. I managed to get a burned ISO from a workmate. We're going to see if we can get this loaded up this morning onto the 2 terabyte drive that I got in there, and hopefully it'll all go well. Oh, come on, this should be turned on. See, I bumped the power bar. Yes, I did. Fired up again, that's good. He's got the activation code. I'm going to try the one off the machine first. But I'm going to write this one down just in case I need this one. Okay. Here's hoping. Drive spun up. Come on. Give me a machine. Got breakfast half made inside, so just trying to get this going out here. And we'll see. After all, I can't spend all day running around doing stuff with junk. Well, I'm going to leave this here running. I'll come back later to check on it. It should hit a code entry point if it boots. And then just wait for me to return. As you may imagine, it didn't work. The disk wasn't recognized. I'm going to try and find my external drive, USB, plug it in, see if it recognizes it through the external drive, just thinking it might be a problem with the drive that's installed. I don't think so. It appears to be able to read the drive, everything fine. It doesn't come up with a drive error. So, like he had said, this might not be a workable disk. He warned me that, so He couldn't find his other one though. It was very generous for him to offer that one to me. I still have other people looking for a more authentic copy. So who knows? Maybe someone will say, oh yeah, I got it on a USB stick. That would work too. But for right now, it doesn't. Now, I thought I had a copy that I burned a while ago, but I guess not. Well, it's probably here somewhere in amongst the stuff. So we will get there to do that. Stand by. So I found a Ubuntu DVD and threw it in, and it appears that the drive works fine. So I don't need to keep searching for the other one. I thought I had burned an ISO of Windows 7 as well, but it wasn't with this one. So we know the drive works. I mean, I could put Linux on it, but I kind of want to get it up to Windows 10. Okay, so we know the drive's good. Too bad. These might have been other failed burns. Oh no, that's a blank. That's a blank. Well, why would I separate them like that then? I suppose really I'm a big fan of doing what you can with what you've got. Oh, I see. They're separated out because these are DVD plus ours. And the rest of that spindle is not. It's CD-ROMs, which is different. Yeah, I can't say I'm familiar with how this install works, so maybe we'll just adjust things here. So that didn't work. It didn't recognize the hard drive. I thought I'd throw Ubuntu on it. Doesn't recognize the hard drive. Not sure why. The system sees it, but Ubuntu couldn't. I don't get that. So we'll keep trying. We'll get back to you. So that didn't work. It didn't recognize the hard drive. I thought I'd throw Ubuntu on it. Doesn't recognize the hard drive. Not sure why. The system sees it, but Ubuntu couldn't. I don't get that. So we'll keep trying. We'll get back to you. Okay, so I ran out here this morning. I found another download for a potential Windows ISO. Tried one more time. I had one more DVD to burn on, and it would appear it's working. Yay! So I'll let you know how this goes. So here was something I was afraid about happening. It got to the point where you pick the drive to install on, and it can't see the 2 terabyte drive. So I might have to take that drive and check it out. Like, it's possible that drive has failed, which would be horrid. I'm not sure what other drives I have that I can use. I will check it out though, but we're good at this point, which is awesome.